Okay, so this is the cell model, and let's talk about some of the cellular organelles. So this black circle right here, that's the centrosome. And inside of the centrosome, these two structures, those are called centrioles. Okay. Next, we have the lysosome. So here, or here, all of these represent the lysosome. Okay. Here you're looking kind of on the inside of it, and here you're looking at the outer portion of the lysosome. Next, we've got the peroxisome. Here, and here we have the peroxisomes. Okay. Next, we have the nucleus. So this whole guy right here is the nucleus, and this white region right here is supposed to represent the nuclear envelope. Okay, that separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Inside of the nucleus, inside of this, we have this orange structure. That is the nucleolus. And then these little blue and white slinky things that look like little slinkies, that's DNA, and it's in chromatin form. So you would call this chromatin, okay? Next, we've got the plasma membrane. Next on the list, we have the plasma membrane. So this green circle around the cell, that represents the plasma membrane. And all this that's clear, all this region is called cytoplasm. Now, if I point to this and I name this region, you say cytoplasm. But if I were to point to this and I say, name the fluid that is found within this region, you would call that then cytosol. Okay. Next, we have ribosomes. So all of these little white dots, right here, everywhere over here, those are ribosomes, and they're found, ribosomes are either free floating in the cell, which you cannot see in this model, or they're attached to something known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So all of this here, that's the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And what you're looking at is here you're looking at the inside of the rough ER in dark blue, and then in this turquoise color, that's kind of the membrane of the rough ER. Okay, and it's made up of the same kind of material that the plasma membrane is made up of. That's why it has kind of the same color. All right, next we have the smooth ER, which is actually continuous with the rough ER, although not in this model, and that's shown right here. So here, looks like rough ER but doesn't have the white dots on it. That's smooth ER, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and it's called smooth because it doesn't have the ribosomes on it. Next, we have the Golgi apparatus. So this structure right here with these vesicles, that represents the Golgi apparatus. And then these guys here, these orange guys, this guy, that guy, this guy, or these guys, all of these represent the mitochondrion, right? This is a longitudinal view of the mitochondrion, this is a cross-sectional view, and this is kind of just the outside of the mitochondrion, or mitochondria if it's plural. Then the last structure that we haven't yet talked about that's on your list is vesicle. And so this guy right here or this guy right here, that represents either an endocytosing or an exocytosing vesicle, okay? And that is everything on your list. So make sure you know all these structures that I just mentioned, as well as the functions that they have.